Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share what you're playing on Roblox with your friends and followers, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to display your current experience on Roblox Web using your PC, following the latest update. This way, your friends and the people you follow can see exactly what you're up to and join in the fun. Let's get started. First, open up Roblox in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your settings. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. Click on that to open your account settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, look for the section labeled Privacy and Content Restrictions. Click on it to open up more options. This is where you can control who sees your activity and what you're currently experiencing on Roblox. Next, find the tab or section called Visibility and Private Servers. Click on Visibility to access the settings that control who can see your current experience. Here, you'll see different visibility options. To make sure your friends and the people you follow can see what you're playing, select the option labeled Friends and People I Follow. Once you've made your selection, your changes should save automatically. Now, whenever you're playing a game or exploring a new experience, your friends and followers will be able to see it right from your Roblox profile. This makes it easier than ever for them to join you or just keep up with your latest adventures. And that's it. You've just made your Roblox experience more social and interactive with a few simple clicks. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can update their settings too. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.